Hello everyone and welcome to Short and Pro. If you are looking to get the job of stenographer, then you are at the right place. Hit the red subscribe button and the notification bell. You are the first to know when I upload anything new.
Get yourself ready for on mic dictation. The dictation will start after 5 seconds. In contrast to the general territoriality of laws, certain laws may be enacted with extraterritorial reach. Stop. Article 245, subsection 2 explicitly allows laws passed by Parliament to operate beyond Indian borders, making it clear that Indian law may extend to its citizens abroad. Stop. As observed in several international legal principles, such as those found in Maxwell on the interpretation of statutes, the territoriality principle of law is not absolute. Stop. It is possible, and often necessary, for laws to apply to individuals even when they are outside the territorial jurisdiction of the country, particularly when those individuals are nationals of that country. Stop. The principle of extraterritorial jurisdiction is also recognized in legal systems worldwide, including in the United Kingdom, where the law may extend to British citizens even when they are abroad, depending on the intent of the legislature. Stop. The Indian legal system is similarly capable of enacting laws with extraterritorial application, and it is crucial to assess whether the Passports Act, particularly Section 10, subsection 3 C, was intended to apply outside India, especially in cases involving the fundamental rights of citizens like the petitioner. Stop. Ultimately, the interpretation of whether Article 19 and Article 21 extend beyond the borders of India, and whether the action taken under the Passports Act constitutes a violation of these rights, is a matter of constitutional interpretation. Stop. The case touches upon complex principles of jurisprudence, including territoriality, state sovereignty, and the protection of fundamental rights in an increasingly globalized world. Stop. The question, therefore, becomes not only one of legal interpretation, but also of striking the delicate balance between individual freedoms and state interests in safeguarding national security. Stop. Salus populi suprema lex must be weighed against the fundamental rights guaranteed under the Constitution. Stop. The passage delves into the foundational principle of territoriality in statutory law, which posits that the ambit and scope of a statute's application, including the persons and entities against whom it is to operate, are to be discerned from the express language and purview of the statute itself. Stop. The presumption is that legislation enacted by a sovereign authority operates within its territorial jurisdiction unless there is declaration. Stop.